Hi, I'm Jim Savage, and this course is called Understanding Substance Use Disorder. This is the course that's going to answer the simple question, what does it mean when we say that someone has a drug problem? There's a lot of confusion about the answer to that question, and that confusion ends up causing a lot of problems in a lot of people's lives. But our purpose here is to clear all that up, and by the time you're done with this course, you're going to have a good understanding of the term substance use disorder and what it really means when we say that someone's drug or alcohol use is a problem. But a couple things I want to go over before we get started. First, we'll take a second to talk about who the course is for, because there are a lot of different audiences that use this course, and I want to make sure that you know that you're in the right place. Some of you might be taking this because you're a client in a treatment or a prevention program, or you might be a parent or a family member of one of those clients. Some of you might be mental health or social service professionals. Some of you may have been ordered by a judge or a probation officer to take this course, or you might even be taking this as part of a college class. But regardless of whether you're taking this course to address your own substance use or you're taking it to learn how to help somebody else, the key to success in any of these areas starts with being clear about exactly what we mean when we're talking about substance use disorder. Let's say you're a client in a treatment program. It's no secret that we see a lot of people relapse and end up back in treatment. But one thing that's really easy to overlook is that the majority of relapse problems start with not paying attention to how important basic substance use education is when it comes to treatment success. In other words, if you've been diagnosed with a substance use disorder, understanding the nature of that condition is ultimately where the motivation's going to come from for you to want, or at least become willing, to follow a recovery plan. And then to take it a step further, the reason it's so important for parents or family members to know all this is to make sure everybody's on the same page as far as knowing what that recovery plan ought to look like. Now, on the other hand, let's say you're a professional who works with substance users. The key to any effective prevention or intervention work, again, is going to start with this basic substance use education. In this case, the more informed you are, the more effective you're going to be in dealing with denial on the part of the people you're working with. And the two most important words there, denial and informed. One of the biggest problems we face in this field is denial, but the solution to denial is simply being informed. And that brings us right back to our original question, what does it mean when we say that someone has a drug problem? The answer to that question starts with understanding the basic principles of substance use disorder, and that's exactly what you're going to get in this course.